Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see how to create a database in SQL and manage that database. But in this video we are only going to see it theoretically, and after our upcoming next video we are going to start our practical sessions with these topics, with all the previous topics also, like data types and all that things, and how to create database, how to insert the data into it. So all that things we are going to cover in our upcoming video. So let's start. So importance of creating a database in SQL and the significance of why we create the database in SQL, because the significance of efficient data management in SSMS. So everything, all the practical sessions we are going to do in the SSMS software in SQL. Okay, so I will show you after the next session, in our upcoming next session. So how to create a database in SQL? So first step is to define the database structure. You need to create one database in SQL, SSMS, whatever server or whatever uh, software you are using. So you need to create first database, and after creating database structure you need to create one database in that. So we are going to using SSMS. The SSMS stand for Server Management, uh, SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS stands for. And the last step is verify the data and test the database. Okay, then how to create databases. After creating databases, how to create tables in SQL. So first choose the table structure, like what are the fields in your table, what are the data types of that fields, and why you want to create that table. Like, create the structure of these three things. After that, implement your data, add your whatever data you want to add it into it. So add your all the data to that data source or that data table, and create the table with the help of executing queries. Then how to insert the data in table? So first you need to prepare the data, gather the necessary data, whatever you want to insert into the table. Then write insert statement to insert the data. I will show you in our upcoming lecture, but just take an overview in this session, and we will see it in our upcoming next lecture. And the third step is verify successful insertion. And the conclusion of this session is recap key points, like whatever key points we have seen in the PPT, and enhance data reliability. So that's it in this session. So upcoming our next session, we are going to see how to create database, how to insert like data, sorry, how to create database, how to create table structure, and how to insert the data on that table. Okay, so all these things we are going to see in our upcoming lecture. So stay tuned, and if you like this series, please do like and subscribe, so it gives me boost to make more videos like this. So thank you guys.